Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Chablis and I am here with another review. A review of sunglasses from, I love Aoolia, but this is the Aoolia brand of sunglasses. Not Aoolia the singer, but I do love Aoolia the singer. Don't get it twisted. All right, so their packaging is really nice, very delightful. Look at the logo, nice hard box, great way to ship glasses to you or sunglasses. They have a lot of great things on their website, as you see right there, and they are extremely affordable. They give you the little wipies with their logo on it. I love it. They give you a really nice high-end case, and I have so many great sunglasses to review for you guys today. Look at that, this little bag to keep them all protected. Ooh-wee, ain't she pretty? With a little bit of gold detail and nice and big. I think this is like, it's giving me vintage vibes. You know, my big forehead, it just really complements my face very well, and the tint is not too overwhelming dark. So this is how much she cost. And you guys, it's a discount code. There it is right there. So use that so you can save a little bit of money on top of your purchase. Yes, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Back to the sunglasses. Look at those, you guys. And the quality is good weight. They're not like the little cheapo gas station one. This is really good quality, stiff here. I'm loving this, you guys. Let's go to the next one. Another really fun, unique 80 vibes. Look at those. Look at that cutout right there. Those are fly, y'all. They're very Hollywood. They look very like I'm a celebrity or something. Like these are designer. So, it's Aoolia, you did good on these. I love these. Very nice and stiff. I mean, really stiff. All the screws are very tight. Doesn't have a factory smell or anything, and it shouldn't have a factory smell. But these look just like the pictures. I love ordering things that looks exactly what you see is what you get. You know what I'm saying? Again, all of them are gonna come in a really nice, soft, scratch resistance bag and an actual case too. These are the stunners, like the little bling bling, the ice. You know what I'm saying? Yes. This gives me swag vibes. Or club vibes. Sometimes people be wearing sunglasses in the club. I love this thick band. It really reminds me actually of Prada did that, Gucci, a lot of like famous designers done this wider band. But I feel like this one is a unisex, you guys. Very nice and stiff, really nice hard material. And the tint is not too overwhelming. It's not too dark. Okay, you guys, back to the case. I didn't really show it that well. So here we go. Every pair came with its own case and a cover. Like, that is such a good deal. Look at this case. It's so adorable, flexible, really easy to put the glasses in. Last but not least, this is the last pair I want to show you guys. You know, I had to do something very slick and simple for the boho shabby chic girls, you know, very stiff. I love that. It has like a nice champagne color to it with the gold trimming because I love gold. And let's slide that on. Ooh, that definitely complements my frame. It's very steady. It's not wobbly. It feels really good on the ears, not digging in my head. It's still a lot of room here if you have a big head. So I'm feeling these, and these are actually nice, lightweight. They're not slipping on my nose. Oh, these are really great. These are really, really lovely. I love these. I want to know, which one do you guys like? Are you gonna even check out their website? Leave the comment down below which one is the perfect one for what I should wear today with this outfit. Please let me know, because I always like to hear what you guys have to say. And if you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Yes, subscribe, because you just don't want to miss out on other really unique, wonderful things. I have so much stuff to show you guys. I mean, look at my hair. You want to know what products I put in my hair today? you better subscribe to the channel. All right, you guys. Bye.